Hello everyone, this is Hanbom Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain things that's been added on version 5.7. Version 5.7 includes several new features and general improvements. Version 5.8 will come with the new iOS and macOS versions with full compatibility. Text filter for calendars has been added to Smart Lists. Select Edit List and add calendar filters at the bottom. Fill in the text, and events with the text on title and notes field will only be shown. Long tapping calendar event will show context menu for duplicate, duplicate as task, and delete. You can also put these actions on swipe action inside Settings General. Skip action has been added on context menu for recurring tasks. This will move task to next recurring date without completing it. It'll only be shown if it's due today or overdue. You can now duplicate templates inside Settings, New Task, Templates. Long tapping will show you the option. Favorites can be set for quick actions. Long tap quick action inside Settings, Quick Actions to favorite or unfavorite. These actions will be shown on context menu as you long tap tasks on the list. Today number label color on calendar when other day is selected can now be set separately while customizing themes. Reach link previews can be shown smaller with the small option in Settings, Appearance, Task Display, Link. On Mac version, now you can add calendar events directly. Command-Shift-N or click Calendar Event on the menu while clicking plus button on bottom left. You can also add event by right-clicking time or date in top calendar area. And for events that need confirmation from invitation, you can right-click to change the status. You can also duplicate event if needed. And there are other small changes and improvements. Hope you enjoy the update. Get it done with GoodTask. Thanks.